If you care about your soundscape, you'll probably come to a point where you need to record sounds yourself. You'll need a very specific sound that you just can't find in a sound library. This is where Foley recording comes in, which is when you recreate and record sounds in post-production. The best part about this is that you can create a tailor-made soundscape for your project that will use sounds that no one else has. Also, in some rare cases, it's actually faster and cheaper to just record the sounds yourself. I'm personally not a fan of searching through sound libraries to find sounds because it's never exactly the sound you want, whereas with Foley you have full control, but it can also be very time consuming. So you need to learn when it makes sense to be pedantic and when you need to move on.